Live from Combat Vet Studios, it's your boy TitanicFeetJack back at you again with another video today. I'd like to welcome everybody back. If you want to be part of the TF Gang family, no problem. Let me tell you how you become part of the TF Gang family. We're going to give you the recipe, baby. First, like the video. Second, watch the video. Third, leave a comment on the video. And fourth, subscribe to the channel. Fifth, turn on post notifications. Do it in that order. You can stay part of the TF Gang family. You won't have any trouble with YouTube. Do it in that order. No problem, baby. Let's get into today's shoe. Today's shoe was a highly coveted shoe. Came out last week. I was blessed. Thank you. In order to get a pair of these, I hit on the Nike sneakers app, guys. I was all amped up. I got the shoe. The shoe came in today. The mailman delivered it. Message. I got it in. Got the box. And looked like my box was involved in the WWE Royal Rumble. My box looked beat the hell up. Like somebody laid the smack it down on my box and droppeth the people's elbow on it. Look at this box. Take a look at this box. What I'm supposed to do with this? Look how beat up this is and torn. But I checked it out. The shoes weren't damaged, so I guess I have something to be grateful for, but I want my box in a better condition than this, so I will be reaching out to Nike about this. But let's go ahead and read the box. Nike Dunklow SP, size 14, price $100 US, color white, university red. Okay, guys, let's go ahead. I'm gonna unbox the sneaker. Comes with that white tissue paper, standard white tissue paper. Look at these. Okay, guys, taking a look at this shoe. It's pretty simple. Sometimes simple is good. We have we got the university red that starts around the mud guard and it goes up to the laces, the lace eyelids, and it wraps around the ankle and the heel badge as well. We have that white color blocking with the red Nike swoosh on there. And looking at the midsole, we have a white midsole, and we have red at the bottom of the midsole, and it goes all the way down to the outsole. Now we're looking at the heel of the sneaker. Looking at the heel badge, we have Nike stitched on in white lettering, and we have a little white right underneath there, and we have university red leather going around the heel. And to the bottom, we have that white midsole with the university red at the very bottom, which leads to the outsole of the sneaker. Now we're going to look at the inside of this sneaker. Looking at the inside of the sneaker, you can see that university red leather comes from around the heel and goes up to the ankle of the sneaker, which also continues down to the eyelids and the mud guards. We have that white color blocking with the university red Nike swoosh on top of it. We have that white midsole that comes from the other side of the sneaker that surrounds the sneaker with the university red at the very bottom, which goes to the outsole. Let's go ahead and take a look at the toe box. Now we're looking at the toe box. You can see that university red, mud guard, white leather in the toe box. Let's get a closer look at that. Comment below, guys. Let me know what you think of the leather in the toe box. It's pretty soft grain leather, but let me know what you think of it. It comes equipped with university red laces It also have additional laces, but we're going to get into that shortly in the next sneaker. We have a white tongue, and to the very top of the tongue, it has that Nike Air patch, white with the red lettering. Let's look at the inside of the sneaker. Look at the inside of the sneaker. We have a University red insert with Nike and the swoosh on in white lettering. Let's see, can I get that size tag for you guys? Not sure you can see it all the way, but it says let's see, can we get it to focus here? Get a good look at that tag. Didn't catch everything, so I'm gonna read it to you. It says that this shoe was in production from January of this year to March of this year, so only a couple of months. Only a couple of months for production, so that's a pretty quick turnaround. So that lets me know that the numbers on these were pretty low. Only 2 months in production. Let's go ahead and look at the other sneaker, guys. And guys, take a look at that outsole. We have a University red outsole. The design of this outsole is symbolic with the SB dunks and also with the retro ones. This is the same bottom that you have on those two sneakers. Check it out. Pretty much the same University red. Okay guys, this is the other sneaker. It's pretty much the exact same as the other sneaker. The only difference, this one contains the additional laces. See, we have white additional laces on here. Pretty much the same sneaker. Give you a quick spin around of it. Okay guys, gonna give you one more spin around of this sneaker. Then we're gonna wrap this video up. Yes guys, we're here to wrap this video up. This is the Nike SB Dunk in the University red and white colorway, aka the stjohns. These were part of a collection that came out this year. They also had the Brazil dunks like this and the champ colors, which pays tribute to the Virginia Cavaliers. I believe when they won the national championship, NCAA basketball. And earlier this year, we had the Kentucky and the Syracuse dunk lows. Comment below which pair is your favorite. Looking at it right now, yeah, I think I'm gonna rock with the red. Let me know which pair were you able to secure in the comment section below. You made it this far to the video, you made it to the end, guys. Okay, don't forget to leave hashtag TF Gang behind your comments. And if you're not part of the TF Gang, I'm gonna give you a quick rundown of how you can become part of the TF Gang. You can watch this video. At some time during watching the video, you can hit that like button. You can also leave a comment. Watch the video for a couple minutes and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And make sure you turn on those post notifications so you'll be notified every time we go live with TitanicFeetJack. I'd like to thank you guys for watching the video. TitanicFeetJack is signing out.